Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your viewport background color in Autodesk 3ds Max. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up 3ds Max. And then here, just go to the top, click on Customize, and then just click on Customize User Interface. Click on it, and make sure that you are under the Colors tab. And under Elements, make sure that Viewport is selected. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Viewport Background and Viewport Gradient Background, bottom and top. Okay, but if you want to, you go ahead and change the labels color as well as the clippers, as well as the clips and the borders. Okay, before you change anything, just make sure that you save a copy of the default viewport. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and name this one default viewport. Save, and then once done, you can now go ahead and make any changes. So viewport background color, I'm going to change it to what? Okay, just basically click on this color button and you'll be able to see this specific window. All right, so say for example, I'm just going to change it to this color right here, and then I'm going to hit on OK. And then the gradient background bottom, I'm going to change it as well to the same exact color. Okay, this one, or you got to use the color picker right here. Okay, maybe I'm just going to use just the same exact color. Okay, and then once that's done, all you got to do is just click on Apply Colors Now. And there you have it. So the background has not been changed. I'm going to click on Background right here and make sure that the color has been selected. Okay, then click on OK. This one as well. This one, it's perfect. Just click on Apply Colors Now. And there you have it. So you could go ahead and save this one and maybe name it Purple. Click on Save. If you want to go back to the default viewport, just click on Default right here. Click on Open and it will just load. All right. And that is how you change your viewport background color here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.